Hey guys, I want to show you how to do the IXL for today. Please make sure that you have previously done Tuesday's assignment and that you have watched those videos, because if you don't understand that, then you're certainly not going to understand this. All right, so let's get started. The reason I'm on this page is because I want to make sure that you understand how to find the assignment, because there are two Z news. There's a Z new right here, a Z new right here. You want to make sure you do the right one. So pick the one right under Z4 that says draw angles with a protractor. That's what we're doing today. Really wish we could be together for this lesson specifically, because it's not the same, but I will try and tell you at the end how you could do this if you do happen to have a protractor at home. Okay, so this says use the protractor to make a 70-degree angle. In this case, again, you really want to make sure you watch those videos by Mr. Han, because there are two 70 degrees. Here's a 70 degree, here's a 70 degree. How do you pick which one? Well, think of everything relative to a right angle. This is a right angle, right? A right angle is 90 degrees. I need 70 is less than 90 degrees. So I want to make sure my angle is smaller than 90 degrees. This is correct. If I put it over here, look, here's a right angle, and I put it on this 70, that's more than 90 degrees. That's an obtuse angle. This angle is actually 110 degrees because it's obtuse. This one's 70 degrees. This is acute. It's less than 90. Okay, be careful, because on the last one, our ray went this way and the arrow went over here. But in this case, your angle is going to start this way. So I need to use the protractor to make a 45-degree angle. Be really careful, especially on these ones with a 5 in the ones place, because this really messes people up a lot. There's two 45s. There's one over here. There's one over here. Oh, over here. Now, do you see what I just did? I almost went to the wrong 45 degrees. This one right here is correct. Here's 90 degrees. I need it less than 90 degrees, so I need to make it smaller than that. So this is correct. What a lot of people do, though, is they put this line in between the wrong two numbers, like I almost did, and like a lot of my students have done in the past. People have put it right here because they think, okay, here's 40, let's go 5 more than that. No, this is in between 30 and 40. That's 35. We need to make it 45, which is in between 40 and 50. So this is correct. Okay, next one. Use the protractor to make a 160-degree angle. That's big. That's way more than 90 degrees. So make sure you're thinking of, make sure you put it there, and then you really look at it and you'd be like, okay, is this bigger than 90 degrees? Yes, this is an obtuse angle. Okay, so now to relate it to real life. If I had a protractor at home, if you have an older sibling especially, I bet they may have a protractor at home. But it's something fun that you can try. If you have a protractor to use, try this out. The first thing that you would do is you would draw a straight line. So don't just try and freehand it. You're going to get a straight edge. So use the flat part of this ruler, use that straight line right there to make your own straight line right against it and put a point on it. And then you're going to line it up. So you're going to line up the vertex right there and line up the line with one of these here. Either one. Well, it depends on which way your ray is going. So you want to line it up there. If I were making an angle that was 110 degrees, I would put a little point right here. If I had it all lined up, I would put a little point right there, and then I would connect the dots with a straight edge. Okay? Oops. So again, what I would do is I would make a straight line it up with my protractor, line